this is Lindsay from The Homey Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy sourdough discard pizza crust. It's a thin base, and you're just going to love it. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius, 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Put a little oil on your cast iron pans if that's what you're using, or a pizza stone. And then you're going to place that in the oven and allow it to heat up with your oven. Once it reaches the temperature, you'll then take it out and you'll be placing your sourdough discard onto it. You want your sourdough discard to be somewhat liquidy so that it's easy to pour, and it's better to put less than more. Now, for about a 10-inch pan, I do use about 3/4 cup of sourdough discard, and it kind of expands that heats up, and I just keep spreading it all around until I get the nice thin base, and it will continue to cook while it's on the pan, as you can see now. I like to generally sprinkle a bit of salt on top. Sometimes I put Italian herbs or garlic and a little bit of oil, and then I stick it back in the oven for about 10 minutes until it is nice and crispy. Now, the trick to keep your crust nice and crispy is don't add a crazy amount of sauce on top, because that liquid will seep through and it will make for a more soggy crust. You want to have a thin layer of sauce. I like to do a mixture of pasta sauce and barbecue sauce, and I just throw a few spices on top, and it is absolutely delicious. And then add whatever vegetables, meat, anything you like on top, put more cheese, and throw it straight back into the oven. The oven is still 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and you just let that cook until it's nice and golden on top. The cheese is melted beautifully, and you'll just take it out of your cast iron pan and then cut it with a pizza cutter. I will have the link below in the descriptions for you with the printable recipe, so you can just click on that and go to the blog post, and you'll see the full recipe written there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy from scratch cooking, homemaking, and raising children. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys have a lovely day.